Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer. Today we'll be doing this question. This question was asked in Karnali's 7th level examination for engineers, and this was asked in 2081 12-13. The question says, calculate the minimum side distance required to avoid a head-on collision of two cars approaching from opposite direction on a two-way single lane road at 80 km per hour and 50 km per hour. Full stop. Assume a reaction time of 2.5 seconds and coefficient of friction of 0.37 and brake efficiency of 60% in both cars. So for car 1 and for car 2, right? So for car 1, velocity is given as 80 km per hour, and for car 2, velocity is given as 50 km per hour, and t is 2.5 seconds for both, right? And f is 0.37, and then efficiency is 60%, 0.6. so we know formula for SSD. It's 0.278 Vt plus, so this is the lag distance, and the braking distance is p square by 254 eta and f. So for this particular car 1, we'll be doing this, solving this. 0.278 into v is 80, and t is, this is braking distance, right? Braking distance, and t is 2.5 second plus v square is 80 square by 254 into eta is 0.6 into f is 0.37. and for car 2, the same thing, SSD2. let's say this is SSD1 and this is SSD2. this is also 0.278, the velocity is 50, right? 50 into time is 2.5 plus 80 not 80, it's 50 square by 254 into eta is same 0.6, and friction is 0.37. so let's calculate this. Okay, here 0.278 into 80 into 2.5 plus b square, that is 80 square, right? 80 square by 254 into 0.6 into 0.37. the answer is 169.099 169.099 meter. Similarly for the car 2, here we should change only this 80 to 50, right? so this is 50, and here also 50, so it will be 79.085 meter. So this is the case of two cars approaching from opposite direction on a two-way single lane road. So the lane is single lane, so this is single lane, and a car is traveling from this direction and another car is traveling from this direction. so SSD1, this will be SSD1 and this will be SSD2. so required minimum side distance equals to SSD1 plus SSD2. it will be 169.099 plus 79.085. let's calculate. 169.099 plus 79.085. So it's 248.184. 248.184 meter. The answer is 248.184 meter. Thank you for watching.